Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Monday, November 25th, and this is my recap of the top viewed videos of the day. And gold came in number 2 today, so we're going to do a quick recap on the 1 hour time frame. If you didn't see my full top-down analysis from this morning for gold, make sure you check out the video linked at the end of this video over here. But also, don't forget to check out my website, fxpipcollector.com, if you would like to get access to my swing trade setups, my daily members-only live streams on Zoom, and my 34 video trading course are included for only $30 per month. So otherwise, we had a pretty strong push down on gold today for sure. I still think this is likely part of an A of wave B, which means that this move down we're currently getting is likely a crescent to this last wave up. Put your Fibonacci retracement on there. The move down is very strong, so I assume this is only a wave A. At some point, which it doesn't have to happen now, it could drift down more. So if you are a scalper, I would continue to look for shorts unless you get a break of structure on like the 15-minute time frame to the upside. Otherwise, at some point, it is going to end up going up and making a wave B, and I would expect to see at least one more push down, maybe to retest the 61 or the 78% for wave C. If I see some sort of a three-way pattern, maybe not this big, but any kind of a three-way pattern, even if it's like a WXY, and it bounces off a Fibonacci retracement level with a nice engulfing move to the upside, I definitely will take it as a long opportunity for the continuation of the uptrend. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel, which is linked over here in the corner. And as always, thank you and happy trading.